Hello, Robbie here from Safe Stores in Portland, Oregon, and I want to tell you, new year, new hobby, new fun. We can have a blast this year, and I want to tell you, I'm here in our gray section, and we've got two awesome options for a long arm and a long arm-ish, I guess, that basically can fit into any home. So we've got over here is our Evolution rolling frame with a traditional long arm, and automation, all the stuff. And this is typically what people think about when they think of a long arm is a really big machine. But what I love that Grace did, and this is really what I want to talk about today, is we have a new frame called the Cutie Breeze Frame. And it's really slick because it comes with these handlebars and you can put any sewing machine on this. So your normal home sewing machine that you just like maybe piece the top with, you can stick on this and you can do free motion quilting with it. And they added automation. And the only catch, you ready for this? You got to have one of those start stop buttons or a foot pedal that you can kind of control the speed with, and it will add automation to your sewing machine that you have, which is really, really cool. So I have the Grace Rebel on here. I showed this. It's a sewing machine. It's a long arm, 13 inches of space, 1,800 stitches per minute. But it also has a built-in stitch regulator. And I want to show you what a stitch regulator does. If you can come over here, Tim. I'm going to move this out of the way here. And I'm going to pull up our needle here, and I got my cue on here. So now so as we're moving our fabric around, what we need to do is make sure that that machine is keeping the stitches nice and even. So you don't want long stitches, short stitches. So this has a little regulator in here so that as I move it, it speeds up for me, and I don't want to use up all of our space here, but it picks up and slows down our speed for us automatically to keep my stitches nice and even, which is super cool. So if you've ever thought about getting a long arm, I have people say, I don't have room for that. Oh, malarkey. We've got room for it. This is 4 feet long, so you can definitely, and it's portable, so you can set it up on your dining room table, do your quilting, put it away in the closet. Bada bing, bada boom. You put your home sewing machine on here. So you already have a machine. You don't have to buy one. Set it on here. If you want to add automation, you can do that too. Or you can manually move it, which is a really cool option. So I just want to tell you, new year, get new projects done. So everyone that like had big scrambles to get the Christmas quilt done and all this stuff, and you're thinking, man, I wish I had a long arm. Well, now you can. So I encourage you to come in here, 67th and Foster, take a test drive of the machine, check out the little Rebel. You'll love it. Great add-on. You can get this whole setup here. It won't break the bank. But give us a call, 503-775-7283, or just scoot on in here. We got a parking lot in the back, so you don't have to do the on-street parking. But we give you so much service and support. We're going to teach you how to use this, how to get all this done. It's going to be so much fun, and you're going to finish your own tops this next year. How awesome is that? So whether you're looking for a big long arm or maybe just using your home sewing machine, it doesn't matter. We got something for you. So we hope to see you here. Come on in. We're having our annual New Year's sale. It's the best time to buy. I'm not just saying that because it's lowest prices of the year. Duh, Robbie, right? No, we've got giveaway prices, which are awesome because we get to piggyback off of our December savings and all the new stuff. So you're absolutely going to love it. So give us a call, 503-775-7283. See you soon. Bye-bye.